Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Today I like to teach about the tense. Tense, there are three forms of tense: the present tense, past tense, and future tense. Present, past, and future tense. The present tense has four forms, the past has four forms, and in the same way, the future tense has four forms. Now, listen sentences. I write a letter. I wrote a letter. I shall write a letter. I write a letter. I wrote a letter. I shall write a letter. Sentence number one. Write refers present tense. In second sentence, I wrote a letter. The word wrote refers past tense. And I shall write a letter. Shall write, it refers future tense. Future tense. The present tense, past tense, future tense, both the tense have the four forms. What are that? Present tense has four forms: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Past tense has four forms also: past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous. Future tense also has four forms: future indefinite, future continuous, and future perfect continuous.